Kawasaki is making waves once again in the world of naked bikes. With the launch of two brand new models, the 2026 Z900 and Z900 SE, the legendary Japanese manufacturer sends a clear message. They're far from done. These bikes aren't just mild updates. They're the living embodiment of Kawasaki's Street Fighter legacy, refined, reimagined, and more irresistible than ever. Under the hood, both bikes retain the same engine we know and love, a 948cc liquid-cooled, inline-four cylinder that delivers pure excitement. Power peaks at 125 PS at 9,500 RPM, with a punchy 98.6 Nm of torque at 7,700 RPM. But it's not just the numbers that thrill, it's how it delivers. Smooth, responsive, and exhilarating in the mid-range. Even better, fuel efficiency has seen a serious upgrade from 18 km/L to 20.5 km/L, thanks to smarter fuel injection and an enhanced ride-by-wire throttle system. The lightweight trellis frame is still at the core, offering the perfect balance of rigidity and agility. The standard version features 41mm upside-down forks and a horizontal backlink rear suspension, both adjustable to match your ride. But step up to the Z900 SE and you unlock an entirely different level. Showa's premium SFF-BP suspension up front and Brembo M4.32 monoblock calipers gripping twin 300mm discs up front, delivering sharper stopping power and more confident handling at every turn. Visually, the SE model stands out with golden brake calipers, detailed wheel striping, and a striking ebony and metallic carbon gray finish. It's subtle, but sophisticated, perfect for riders who want performance and prestige. Meanwhile, the standard Z900 keeps things clean and aggressive, with a stealth black colorway that's all about pure riding attitude. When it comes to electronics, Kawasaki isn't holding back. Both bikes come equipped with modern tech, traction control, dual power modes, and a vibrant full-color TFT display. But what really steals the spotlight is the debut of turn-by-turn navigation, available on the 2026 Z900 SE. Powered by the latest Rideology app, the system syncs with your smartphone to display map guidance right on the bike's meter panel. Even better, it's voice-activated. Say the word, and your bike becomes your personal navigator.